me a sprinkle of this, give me a sprinkle of that. A tablespoon of that fat, that's going to work. And that, oh,
hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraarti here. Okay. So in this video I'll be doing a recreation of Ciara'S first look for the Met Gala. You know, the one she did the wicked. So if you want to see how I created this whole look, keep watching. Before we go right into it, if you have not subscribed, like, we can't just go by like that without subscribing. So click that subscribe button below and that tiny bell beside it, hit it. So now let's get right into the video. First I'll be patting my hair into two, and then I'll be using the Eco Styling Gel to style up my hair and lay it flat and smooth. Then I'll be going in to lay my baby hair. Laying down my edges. Like, finally I've learned how to do this and I'm showing you guys how to do it, and I hope it's helpful. Yeah, laying down my baby hair, my edges proudly. Then using my scarf to tie it down to keep it laid down, then going in with this afro hair, and don't forget your bobby pins also. Then how I fix it into the bun is that I roll it round like in a circular motion, but then using my bobby pins to hold it steadfast into the hair so it doesn't fall off or drop off. So just keep rolling it round like in circular motion. Just keep taking it round till you form that perfect bun and till you get the quantity that you desire. But for this look I used 3 afro hair for each of the buns. I'll be showing just one part of the bun, which I'll be creating the afro pop. Then I'll go off camera to do the other side. And yeah, we're back. Puff isn't set and I got you. Then using the rope to just tie it round the afro puff to just keep it firm. Then I tuck it in to give it that desired shape, like the circular shape. And now let's get into the makeup, using my Yangabeauty Prime Matte primer to prime my face first of all. For this look I'll be highlighting and contouring before foundation, using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and also using the Maybelline concealer in the shade Coca. And you know, as usual, I'll be highlighting underneath my eyes, my nose, my jaw and my forehead. That is my T-zone. And first I'll be applying the Fawn LA Girl Pro concealer. Then I'll be applying the Maybelline concealer at the edge so that it can blend into my skin. Why I decided to highlight and contour first is, first I want to try out new techniques, and secondly I feel doing it this way is going to give me that no makeup kind of look, because Ciara'S makeup didn't have, like, it didn't look like she had a lot of makeup on her face. So that's what I'm also trying to achieve here, and I will go in to blend them out. You know, at this stage, you know, our rules already is that you have to blend and blend. Then going into contouring, I'll be contouring under my cheek, which is my cheekbone, round my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my jaw, under my jawline, and my lip. I saw this trick on J.Lo, which her makeup artist Scott did on her, and I want to see the outcome that's going to have on me. So we go right in to blend out the contour and leave no harsh line. And it's foundation time, using my black opal foundation in the shade Nutmeg. It's a stick cream foundation which I felt to be much better for this look, so I'll be using it all around my face. And as you can see, instead of blending out the contour on my lips, I just used the foundation and my beauty blender to just blend it in, like into the skin. I didn't blend out the contour first before doing that, and I'll be doing the same thing for the contour on my nose. Well, my aim is to just achieve that flawless look. Then I'll be using my RCMA setting powder to get all those creams locked in. For my brows, I'll be using the Hegia and Ester brow gel in the shade Nubia to line up my brow. To highlight my brow bone, I'll be using the Hegia Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, which I also use to highlight my face. And I'll be going in with light strokes because I want to achieve a natural eyebrow. Then also using the concealer to prime my eyelid for my eyeshadow placement, using the Ibeautifi Cindy eyeshadow palette. For my crease, I'll be using this brown color first, and I'll blend it out. Now using this slightly burnt orange to also work into my crease. Then using a clean brush to blend them all together, like kind of marry each other. Then I'm using this gold metallic eyeshadow to go into my eyelid. Remember, I'm trying to recreate Ciara'S look for the Met Gala. Her first look rather, for the Met Gala. Then using the Macbrook eyeliner to achieve that winged eye that Ciara had on. I think I really got it. I don't know. You rate it down in the comments. Then going in with my Hegia and Ester powder to go all over my face. Then going in with the same colors I used for my crease underneath my eyes to make it pop. Then using my Kylie by Bear eyeshadow palette, which also has a highlighter to, you know, glue up for the goods. Going in with this brown shade for my Ibeautifi Pro Pout palette for my lips. To finish up my baby girl's look, I'll be glossing up my lips. You know, you can see it popping already. Then using my Nuban Beauty Seal It Spray to seal it up, and voila, we're done! If you love this video, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know what other looks you would love to see me create, and don't forget to subscribe.